Hello students, in the last video we studied about three different types of adjectives. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity and adjective of number. So today we'll learn the last two types of adjectives. We are going to study possessive adjective and demonstrative adjective. So let's begin. So let's start with demonstrative adjective. Adjectives that point out nouns that follows them are called as demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective always answers the question which one. So example, this, that, those and these. So when you ask a question which one, so the answer what you get, this, that, these and those, they are called as demonstrative adjectives. For example, this is my friend. So when you're pointing out a noun, which friend? This friend. So this is a demonstrative adjective. These books are lying on the table. So again, when you point out which books, which one? These books. So these are so these is an demonstrative adjective. More examples for demonstrative adjective. But remember, the demonstrative adjective, this and that, they are used when you have singular nouns. And these and those is used when you have plural nouns. So now in these examples, when we talk about those pies were delicious. So now pies is a plural noun. So we have used those. That cat is very cute. So again, that cat is a singular noun. So that cat is very cute. This bat is not mine. These books are very interesting. So the demonstrative adjectives, those, that, these and this always follow the nouns. Difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. This is just for your reference, children. We will study demonstrative pronoun again when we study pronouns chapter. Demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronouns are the same. This, that, these and those. But how to identify them? What's the difference between them? So let's study how to identify whether it is a demonstrative adjective or it is a demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative adjectives are always followed by a noun. Means after a demonstrative adjective, you always have a noun after it. And a demonstrative pronoun, they are not followed by a noun. So you can see in the sentences. So after the demonstrative pronoun, you do not have a noun, but you have a verb after it. Examples, this book is thick. So now here demonstrative adjective is this. So after this demonstrative word, this, you have a noun, book. That house is large. Again, after demonstrative adjective that, we have a noun, house. This chair is broken. So this is a demonstrative adjective because it is followed by a noun, chair. And the examples for demonstrative pronoun, this is a thick book. So after this, you have a verb, helping verb is. That is a large house. This is a broken chair. So in every after every demonstrative pronoun, you have a helping verb. So the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun is demonstrative adjectives are followed by a noun and demonstrative pronouns are not followed by a noun. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to show possession, means belonging, ownership. They show possession. It always answers the question whose. Examples: my, your, his, her, our, their, its. So when we say, this is my house, this is my pet, this is my book, so it shows everything, it belongs to you. When you say this is my house, so it tells that the house belongs to you. So my, your, his, her, our, their and its, these all are possessive adjectives. This is her hat. So now again, when we talk about whose hat, her hat. Their parents came to my house yesterday. So we have two nouns. So now whose parents? Their parents. Whose house? My house. So here, her, their and my are possessive adjectives. Few more examples of possessive adjectives. It is my ball. So when I say whose ball? My ball. So my is an possessive adjective and it has a noun after it. After my, you have ball as a noun. We are going to her home. Whose home? Her home. I am playing his video game. Whose video game? His video game. Can I pet your dog? So your is a possessive adjective. We love our car. Whose car? Our car. Her parents came to my house. Whose house? My house. So the words in red, my, her, his, your, our and my are possessive adjectives and they show possession and they always come before a noun. Difference between possessive adjective and a possessive pronoun. What is a possessive adjective? So as we know, possessive adjectives show belongingness and they are placed before a noun, whereas possessive pronoun is used in place of a noun. For example, the first example we'll consider, this bag is hers. So when I say this bag is Ria's, so instead of Ria, I have used the possessive pronoun that is hers. So possessive pronouns is used in place of a noun. Examples. So examples of possessive adjective: my, our, your, his, her, their and its. And examples for possessive pronoun: mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs and its. So what is the difference between the possessive adjective and possessive pronoun? Can you identify from the examples? Yes. So in possessive pronouns, you have s at the end, whereas in possessive adjective, you do not have it. Okay, so this is one difference. The other difference is when we look at these sentences, this is her bag. So her is an possessive adjective because it is followed by a noun. These are our bags. So our is a possessive adjective and we have noun bags. Is this your bag? Again, your is a possessive adjective and bag is a noun. Examples for possessive pronouns. This bag is hers. So now in this possessive pronoun is hers. So at the end, hers, you have s. And before these possessive pronouns, you have a verb and the verb is. These bags are ours. So here again, ours is a possessive pronoun. Is this bag yours? So in this sentence, yours become the possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns always come at the end of the sentence and usually they have a verb before them. I hope you all have understood what are possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Let's summarize what are adjectives and all the 5 types of adjectives. So what is an adjective? Adjectives are the words used to describe a noun or a pronoun. The types of adjectives. The first one, adjective of quality. It describes the nature of a noun and it answers the question what kind. Examples: good, happy, generous, round, and bright. Adjective of quantity. It helps to show the amount of a noun. It doesn't specify the number, it tells you the amount of a noun and it answers the question how much. Example: some, much, many, few, little. And it is always used with uncountable nouns. Adjectives of number. It tells us the number of a noun and it answers the question how many. Example: 1, 2, 4, many, etc. It is always used with countable nouns. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective is used to refer to the nouns. It points out the nouns and it answers the question which one. Examples: this, that, these, and those. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show belongingness and they always answer the question whose. Example: my, his, her, their, your, our, and its. So now here we have come to an end of this chapter and we have finished with adjectives and types of adjectives. In the next video, we will study how to form adjectives from nouns and verbs. Thank you.